So my wife is reporting that she'd like a new radio. I'm going to replace it with a factory radio that I have here so that she can use the CD player. A lot of times in the junkyard you don't get a code, but you can get that from Honda's website. I'll put a link in the description for it. So you put in the serial number that you find on the back of the unit. I'll show you it right here. So the first part of this job is to remove the bezel here on the front of the radio. It'll cover the mounting screws. I use a tack puller with a piece of tape. Of course, my pry tools went missing, and you'll go in and work this off. I think probably from the underside would be best to start. So you see the mounting bolts in here. These are 8mm. So this guy will slide straight out, and just be careful. You'll disconnect it. There's 5 spots to disconnect it on the back of the radio. There they are. You just press down on those clips and that black one just pulls out. So I'll just plug back everything and mount it in the dash. When you turn the car on, it will be asking for the code. Let's see if it works. Hey, there we go. And we're on. So to set the clock, you just hold down this button and it will flash, and you'll see an hour and a minute button on the 3 and the 4. And we'll just go ahead and set that. Press that again, and you're all set. Please let me know what aftermarket units you're using, as well as the wiring harnesses that you have. I think they're available on Crutchfield. I'll put again a link to this website in the description, as well as a link to eBay to get a replacement radio or an aftermarket one if you'd like. I hope that helps. We'll see you next time.